Intuit Dome. It's been my first update of 2023. I haven't been out here in well over a month. Long overdue, but enough of me talking. Let me show you what's going on. There's a lot of cool stuff to look at. You can see some of that roofing that allows workers to walk over the top of the dome. Got kind of a corrugated metal. See all these flatbed trucks lined up off of Doty. So here on directly on the east end of the property, you can see all this magnificent glass that's been going up. See, it goes from the ground up to about, I'm gonna guess probably at least 70 feet, maybe. I'm not sure if there's gonna be more glass to finish off up here, or if they're just gonna continue with just this exterior. Looks nice though. It's coming along so fast. There's a whole lot of development going on here. You can see with some concrete that they're pumping in, a couple of Catalina Pacific trucks, and it's hard to see without looking at the drone footage, but I anticipate this is kind of going to be kind of a courtyard entryway. You can see those kind of stabilizers. I put those in a while back, but all this glass is awesome. Okay, so what you're looking at here is sort of a platform. Oh, they're gonna build it up a little bit higher for the pedestrian bridge. That'll get people from parking lots all the way across into this dome. You can see on the other side of Prairie, you can see a couple of support columns there. That'll go up a little bit higher, and then you'll be able to walk right across. You won't have to come down to street level and deal with crosswalks. Very simple. And here's one of the support columns where we're at so far. So I'm just curious to know how high it'll be. Maybe just clear enough so that trucks can pass through. I don't know exactly how tall it's going to be. They don't need it to be like a skyscraper. They're doing a little bit more excavating here. Probably be putting some concrete down. Man, that is awesome. And you can see with this glass, some of it's transparent, and then other parts of it are not so much. So have some kind of a mosaic pattern or something. But these will be the Clipper offices, administration. So this parking garage is almost done. Looks like they're still doing some painting, putting up some like security cages. In the south end of the property, you'll see some cinder blocks here exposed. I guess there's also supposed to be some kind of a VIP parking back this way too, I think underground. Kind of like how there's a lip or a ring that kind of overhangs. And some metal framing below it, so I'm curious if they'll put some more glass over here or they'll just seal it off. Let's take a quick stroll through 104th Street. Give you the neighborhood vibe of the Intuit Dome blending in with the neighborhood. That's a cool shot right here. We're seeing some of that exterior. I think below that there's some glass. It's pretty cool.